Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop, here to talk about Cross Thoughts by Daryl and Murphy's Magic. Let's cut to the trailer now to see this awesome trick.
Twist. One thought of card actually moves from one packet to the other whilst being held by the spectator. What have we got here?
All black cards.
Correct. Can you hold your hand out flat for me? You're going to deal the cards into my hand and you're going to count them out loud. Just so you know, I have no extra cards, no funny business, no sleeves or anything weird. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fair? Totally fair, totally fair. And can you hold your hand out flat? So out of the 10 cards, we're going to split them into 2 groups. Can you have a guess how many groups? 2. I just told you, great. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your other hand on top. Perfect. Flat on top. Amazing. And with the other ones, we're going to try something, and basically I'm going to see if you can pick a card without naming it out loud, and we're then going to try and figure out what card you picked. Is that fair? Cool. We'll spread them out a little bit, and you're going to think of one. You're not going to say which one you're thinking of. Have you got one? Cool. Fair? What one did you go for? Yeah. Okay, just answer me one question. Do you see a 6 here?
No. Where'd it go? It was right there.
In between the 5 and the 7?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it was, but now we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards here.
Where'd it go?
So if we've only got those 4 here and there's no 6...
Don't tell me it's in her hand.
Can you count yours into my hand for me?
Oh, hell no, bro.
But you picked a you picked a 6, right? The 6 of clubs, perhaps?
Yes, that's it.
That's a pleasure. Thank you very much. This comes with everything you need to perform this fantastic effect. It's super easy to do, uses very minimal sleights, and in no time at all, you'll be wowing your audiences.
The one card that vanished is the card that you thought of in your mind, and in your mind alone. Over here, there used to be 5 cards. Watch closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. A newly arrived card. Now, for the first time, what was the card you thought of?
4 of spades.
For the first time, ladies and gentlemen, the mentally selected card, the 4 of spades. And I thank you for your kind attention.
How many have you got?
I have 5.
Yeah, count them out into my hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What?
That's my card.
Wait, put it there, put it there.
That's my card.
Is it This version of Cards Across will really fry your audiences. This is Cross Thought.
Okay guys, so the trailer you've just seen there is for Cross Thought. This is a great effect. So it's part of the legacy line of magic from Daryl and Murphy's Magic. The online instructional video, so this is the packaging that you get. You open the flap and it's got the online link that you'll go to with the password. It's also got written instructions inside that was originally put out by Daryl, and obviously some of the cards. You'll have to add maybe a pack of bicycles to it. You can either use it as a packet trick or basically pull the cards out of your bicycle pack, and then which will be 10 cards, and then do the effect. So as you've just seen, the effect is a Cards Across, but unlike a normal Cards Across, which would be just shout stop, and that is how many cards are going across, which is surprising 3. It is a thought of Cards Across, and that makes it more impressive. When I first saw this was, as I say, Fool of Doolers Volume 3 by Alan L Publishing. But guys, this is a really good effect. Very impressed with this. I took it to the Magic Club last night. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any footage, but the guys I showed it to were really impressed with it. They thought it was great. One of them actually said that it's not an opener, it's not a closer, but it's a really solid in-between effect. This is a thought of card. This is what makes it so good. I showed my wife, I held 5 cards up, she had 5 cards in her hand. She opened those, she had the 5 cards there. She changed her mind 3 times. 3 times she changed her mind. And of course, her thought of card, without any asking, any prompting, moved over to the packet of 5 cards that she was holding. Now 6 cards, 4 cards here, 6 cards here, and sure enough, her card, her thought of card, was there. Guys, the cards do the work for you. It's a great effect. I really like it. Yes, I'm going to use it. The instructional online video is probably about 10 minutes. 6 minutes 30 roughly of Mark Lavelle doing the instruction and teaching you, and then the rest of it is of Daryl actually performing it. It's a clip from the Fooler Doula's DVD. I prefer Daryl's presentation, but what you get is everything that you need to do this. Mark does a great job of instructing and teaching it. The trailer is the trailer. It's not lying, it's not falsified. You see what you see, you get what you get. It's really good. Guys, you can get it from us at globalmagicshop.com.au. See you next time. Bye for now.